Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix can't reach DNS server error in Windows 11. To get started, simply search for View Network Connections and open it. From here, disable your active internet connection, whether you're using Wi-Fi or LAN. Right click over it and set it to disabled. Now re-enable it back again and see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if you are experiencing the same error, then proceed ahead with the next step. Come back here again. Go to the properties of the network your PC is currently connected to. Then select IPv4, go to its properties. Then select this option and here fill out any of the DNS server you see in the screen. Once done, save the change, close everything and restart your computer and see if the issue gets resolved or not. If it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next step. Search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description, you will get these command lines. Simply copy them in order, paste it in the CMD window and hit enter to execute them. Once you execute all the commands, it will ask you to restart your PC. Simply close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Additionally, you can also perform these steps. Simply restart your router. So when you restart it, wait for at least 10 seconds before you power it up on. Additionally, you can also switch connections from Wi-Fi to LAN or LAN to Wi-Fi and see if you encountered the error or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.